Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is continuation of our part 2, I think, of MEP plumbing modeling real interview. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. See, in previous video I already place all this plumbing fixture. Okay, so now I will start to modeling. See, this is swell pipe, okay, and other one is waste pipe, this one. So firstly I create the piping of swell pipe. Okay, see, this is our WC. Here swell pipe is coming and here is the 100 dia swell waste pipe riser. Okay, so let's create the section, go to view, see here, if this type of symbol you see, then it means this is related to sanitary. Okay, and this type of symbol indicate that this is for water supply. Okay, so see, this is floor mounted WC. How I will connect? Firstly come here and crop view remove, also this one. See, from here it will come below this beam. Okay, and this is the our OTS. See, our riser will be here. As per a standard, how to connect the WC connection, I show you. See, plumbing connection, floor mounted WC, floor mounted here. See, as per the standard, this is the connection. Here inside the WC already is a strap is inbuilt. Okay, so no need to here, no need to use the any trap here, because inside is already a strap is given. Okay, inbuilt as picture shows. See, this is IPC NBC standard, and it is similar to all, whether IPC or UPC. Okay, so and directly it is connected to our riser. Okay, this is a standard connection. So let's follow this one. Here it will come, click here. Okay, here, and see here it is showing waste water pipe, but it is soil pipe. Okay, also pipe is PVC, must be right. There is no slope. See, and here it is diameter is 100, right? So if it come like this, it will show, because it indicates how much. This is generally 4 inch. Let's see, you can change the diameter of this one. Okay, from here. So if you delete, or you can directly change, just click here, click edit, and sanitary diameter, make it 100. Generally it is 4 inch. Okay, and it just click here, After that select the pipe and change from here swell pipe. Okay, the segment is plastic PVC, diameter is 100 mm. Right, now see the color is changed. Okay, here, now come here, okay, and create the riser. So creating the riser, just click system, pipe, okay, PVC, here waste pipe, so select the soil pipe, okay, 100 mm. Here you can make it 0, okay, and click here, okay, and up to 4000 5000 whatever you can select, and double click apply. See, here you create the riser, okay, and align with the CAD file, CAD, okay, here it is showing. See, so because in section I did not include this one, that's why. Now you can increase the section like this, okay, now it will show. See, okay, I created the riser from the ground floor, that's why I select the 0 0, okay, and you can connect this one to here. Before that, see, this is the our column, so below this I have to connect. Here select and see, this is our rectangular beam. So in beam I can connect, no issue, because we already given the core, I think soft, okay, soft, so I can create, it is depend on the project, okay, but I create here. And now you have to give the slope here, you cannot create directly 90 degree, okay, but as per the standard, see here, see, they create the 90 degree and connect here, so I have to follow same, okay, create, and here you can select the plumbing, see, this type of fitting in DW I think not accepted, okay, here we required Y, right, see, as per the standard I already connect here, but it is not accepted, I think it is directly connected here, and 90 degrees also here it is okay, because as per the standard it is 90 degree. So what I will do, See, here I already make the section and drawn from here. Okay, I show you here. So now I have to connect from here to here in this riser. Okay, in this riser, if I will connect directly, it will show 90 degree. Okay, so 190 degrees is acceptable here. So how I will connect the sanitary? Let's show. Here I will draw one pipe. Okay, first like this. This is slope, so delete this and come on the here in floor plan. You have to select the pipe, change slope down. Okay, and 1%. You will come here. Okay, in the soft. Okay, I came here. Now I have to make one section here. Okay, if you connect directly, it will not connect. Okay, so make one section here, right here. Reduce the section width and go to view. Okay, if it will show like this, come here like this. Okay, see, this is our pipe. Okay, coming from the center, it is coming inside the beam, so it is not okay, right? So what you will do, you can down from here. Okay, in section you can down, it is coming inside the, so just select this one, this bend. Okay, and arrow key like this. Okay, okay, check the slope. Yes, 1% is down. Let's come here, and from here you can create one Y. Okay, fittings like the 45 degree. See, like this. Okay, and make the align AL from this to this. No, make mistake here. Align from here this to this. Okay, here create 45 degree, align this to this. Okay, and now you can connect, draw pipe. Okay, slope no matter because I already creating the pipe in slope. And here see, when I connect, it is not showing here how where I have to connect. Okay, so if it will show like this problem, you have to click the tab. See, it will show like this and click. Now go to in 3D SMC. Okay, like this you have to create the piping. Okay, it is in slope. See, here it's coming, and in the void. Okay, not directly in this riser. Okay, so it is noising here. If you see in floor plan, see here. Okay, if you hide, let's hide the here. See, it is connected like this. Okay, that's it for soil pipe. And now I'm going to upload the waste pipe. Okay, waste pipe is also very important, so be on my channel. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.